I'm Anthony Mongeluzo, and we had a lot of fun on Good Day this morning with Mike and Alex, and a topic that you might think's a little weird, but I bet if you look in those drawers, you might have some old cell phones. Now, this could be your iPhones or your Androids, so I'm not going to give you the tips and tricks that we talked about this morning on Fox. You got to click that link below. Hopefully, like and share it if you think it's great, but I will give you a couple new ones here. Summertime's coming up, and if you have a pool or maybe going to the beach, why not get one of those waterproof cases for your older phones? Now, you could take pictures and video underwater. It's really cool. I actually use one at home, and I have some priceless memories with my children. Secondly, many of you know over the years probably why I got into technology. I love video games, and that's really what made me tinker with computers. So guess what? With your older phone, you could get a device called the Backbone. Literally, it looks like a PlayStation or an Xbox pad. It plugs right into the port, and not only can you mirror and play your own Xbox or PlayStation with it, they also have cloud services, so if your system's not turned on, or maybe you don't have one of those devices, guess what? You could still have a little fun on the road. And the last thing, and probably the most obvious, but not always, let's say you lose your current device. Yes, we all like the latest, greatest, but we also want to get our phone calls and text messages. So if you have some of these older devices laying around, you lose it, you break it, guess what? Call your local carrier and reactivate that device temporarily. So again, check out the full video. I think you'll like it. It was, what I was told, pretty fun. So click that link and we'll be back in touch.